Hi everyone, today I'm making a little video on how I lift my bike that doesn't have a center stand. It is available as an option, but I don't have one, and it is pretty easy to lift without one. So what I do is I lift it by the foot pegs, and that works because they're pretty far back on this bike. I guess if you have a Harley with the forward controls, you're out of luck. But this one is back and it is easy. So the first problem is, well, the foot pegs do this. That's not gonna work. So what we're gonna do is we are going to turn them upside down. And there's a little clip right here, pull that out. And looking at the clip here, you can see the one on the left is what came on the bike. That is not a reusable clip, so don't reuse it. I got this spring clip on the right at the hardware store. I would recommend that because on the stock clip, the legs will break off after you use them a few times. So with the clip out, we can pull the pin out, which is easier with two hands than one. And there's a little spring that we're going to put to the side. Put it in upside down. There we go. And now it locks. So on this side, I use just the regular jack stand. Something like that. And I already turned the foot peg around on the other side because watching me do it twice is boring. And here we have a floor jack, and if we are lucky, it'll lift right up. Let's have a look here. That looks good. Straighten it out. We're good on this side. And there we go. We have rear wheel in the air. So I can clean the chain and do whatever else I need to do without a center stand. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.